Among the countless galaxies scattered across the cosmos, one looms ominously on the horizon: Andromeda. NASA's intense focus on this galaxy is not curiosity. Behind their polished public reports and dazzling images, they are hiding something sinister. The truth is, Andromeda isn't just a distant galaxy, it's a ticking time bomb, a potential catalyst for an extinction-level event. NASA has been secretly tracking Andromeda with an obsession that borders on paranoia. They've built sophisticated models, hidden alarming data, and kept the public in the dark about the real danger lurking in the dark void. Today, we reveal what NASA is hiding, the terrifying reality of Andromeda's true nature, its dark past, and the catastrophic collision that could wipe out life on Earth. The question isn't just why are they watching, it's what are they afraid of? Andromeda, a cosmic beast on the verge of unleashing havoc. Take a moment to look at this image of Andromeda. It appears as a stunning spiral galaxy, a glittering jewel in the dark. But behind that beauty lies a beast, a galaxy riddled with chaos, instability, and violent history. What NASA isn't telling us is that Andromeda is a volatile, unstable giant, primed for destruction. This galaxy's core is a dense, glowing mass, more than just a cluster of stars. Every collision, every impact, some hidden from public view, has pushed Andromeda closer to an apocalyptic event. Andromeda isn't a peaceful spiral galaxy. It's a dangerous, unstable entity that has survived countless collisions, each impact destabilizing its core, warping structures, and increasing the risk of total collapse. NASA's secret models they refuse to release, confirm that the galaxy's instability will soon trigger a catastrophic chain reaction. A dark history hidden in the shadows. Early telescopes captured Andromeda's spiral arms, but the real story begins with classified data buried deep within NASA's hidden archives. In those shadowy files, scientists uncovered evidence of a violent past, massive dust rings, remnants of primordial cosmic crashes, and signs of a galactic war that predates human existence. These aren't just scars, they're warnings. Hidden within the data are models indicating that Andromeda's core has been destabilized multiple times, each impact pushing it closer to a critical tipping point. In secret briefings, top scientists warn that the galaxy's instability isn't natural. It's engineered by forces beyond our understanding. Andromeda's violent history is a warning sign that the galaxy might be on a path towards self-destruction, and NASA knows it. The forbidden knowledge of an imminent collision. In January 2025, NASA released a detailed image of Andromeda, an elaborate mosaic stitched together from thousands of Hubble images. But what they didn't tell the public is that this image is a carefully curated illusion, a distraction from the truth. Deep within that mosaic are signs of a galaxy on the edge of chaos, clues of a collision far more destructive than NASA admits. The reality is far darker. Hidden models the public will never see, confirm that Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way, and the impact could happen in less than 2 billion years, or even sooner. And it won't be a gentle merging. It will be a brutal, destructive event, annihilating everything in its wake. Andromeda's violent past, the hidden catastrophes. This galaxy's history is a record of destruction. Its complex structure bears the scars of multiple impacts and collisions, many of which NASA refuses to talk about. About 210 million years ago, Andromeda collided head-on with a dwarf galaxy, Messier 32. This wasn't just a minor impact. It was a cosmic collision of epic proportions. This impact tore through Andromeda like a cosmic wrecking ball, ripping apart stars, gas, and entire star systems. Shockwaves rippled outward, triggering starbursts and destabilizing the galaxy's core. But NASA's models reveal that each impact has pushed Andromeda closer to a catastrophic meltdown. The galaxy's instability isn't accidental, it's engineered, and the worst is yet to come. A galaxy of secrets and satellite menace. Andromeda doesn't orbit alone. It's surrounded by dozens of smaller galaxies, satellites. Among them are M32, M110, and many others, each with its own violent history of destruction and assimilation. The most striking feature is the giant stellar stream, a massive ribbon of stars stretching over 150,000 light-years. This debris trail is the aftermath of a small galaxy torn apart by Andromeda's gravity, a visible sign of a brutal cosmic war. The impending catastrophe, humanity's last warning. Here's the brutal truth. The collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way is not a distant, harmless event. It's an impending catastrophe that will reshape the universe, an extinction event on a galactic scale. In about 4.5 billion years, these two titanic galaxies will collide at over 40,000 miles per hour. It will be a brutal war. Stars will mostly pass each other by, but gravity will unleash chaos. Tidal tails, starbursts, and the merging of galaxies will wipe out the fabric of our universe as we know it. Dark matter, the invisible threat that could destroy everything. Dark matter is the universe's biggest mystery and the key to understanding this impending catastrophe. Officially, dark matter is just an invisible halo surrounding galaxies, but classified models tell a different story. Behind closed doors, top scientists reveal that dark matter isn't just a spherical halo, it's a vast flattened sheet, an enormous invisible pancake stretching across millions of light years. This dark matter pancake acts as a cosmic scaffold, guiding galaxy motions and orchestrating the collision course of Andromeda and the Milky Way. When galaxies collide, this invisible pancake could rupture, unleashing chaos that ripples through space-time, destroying entire regions of the universe. NASA has kept this knowledge hidden, suppressing the truth to prevent mass panic and cosmic upheaval. The deadly tipping point. Are we still safe? This isn't just speculation. Secret research warns that the dark matter sheet that holds galaxies together is nearing a critical point. When the collision begins, the destabilization of dark matter could trigger a chain reaction, unleashing forces that could threaten the very fabric of reality. And yet, the public remains completely unaware. The truth is buried in classified files, hidden from the eyes of humanity. The final warning. Humanity's last stand? The universe's most destructive event, an apocalyptic collision that could wipe out all life, looms on the horizon. And the dark matter, the invisible force that holds the universe together, is the real wild card. When disturbed, it could unleash chaos that no one fully understands, destroying everything in its path. The secret models, the hidden dark matter structure, the suppressed data, they all point to one chilling conclusion. The greatest cosmic disaster is imminent, and NASA knows it. The question is, what are they hiding? And more critically, what happens when the darkness finally breaks free, unleashing forces that could end everything?